I'm going outside to see if I catch fireworks. Oh, it's midnight. It's finished. Because I leave one of the cheese just in case. She's shy. Sarah, yeah, she can be. Yeah. She have her moment. Here. Yay. See you soon. You too.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi Faith. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, night, night. Happy New Year's Eve. By the time you guys see this, it will be New Year's. It will be what? 3 days in? 2 days in? I think 2 days. It's New Year's Eve here in this present moment that I'm filming this video. Hopefully you guys are doing well. We're having one last big hurrah before the year ends.
You have to put it on.
What say you, Papa?
I can't put it on.
Papa, what say you?
I put it on.
I'm not answering.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. This is the last day of the year. Well, 2022, nothing special.
Something special for me because I made it through. I have life.
Oh,
and
so
I am grateful.
somebody started school. But I think 2022 will be the exciting year.
2022 was the kickstart year for me. 2023, I'm coming for everything that belongs to me, my mother, and my grandmother. Okay? I promise you. I'm coming for it all. All of it. Okay? All that belongs to me and lying down out there, I'm coming. So beware. So, we are having one last big eating for the year because tomorrow on the 1st is reset. Reset meaning me no want to see no food, me no want to see no junk,
Let's
me
see
no
how
want to see no
long.
snack.
That's what I saw today online. I said, okay, people, just tell me all of your new resolution that you will only hold for the next 10 days, but send me everything.
No, it's just until February for me.
1 year, 1 month.
1 month. You know why until 1 month? I'll soon tell you why. So I have to get snatched back. I have to lose the cake belly. Because I promise you that I ate at least 14 of cake by myself. Which I have no regret. It's the only time of year that I go all in without care and watch nothing that I eat and eat everything inside. Because I work so hard throughout the year, I think I deserve at least December, okay? We can get January to reset and that's okay. So like I said, we're having one big last eating and we're having raclette tonight. We haven't had raclette since the winter season started, and if you're wondering what is raclette, if you're new to my channel and you're not accustomed with the French life, then raclette is something specific in France that we eat during winter time. It's a lot of cheese, a lot of meat, and potato. So it's New Year's Eve. What better way to ring in the new year with some raclette, some wine, some good music, and amongst good company. Good company, you ask, who is she talking about? Nobody that you guys are familiar with. If you guys remember that, may or may not remember that I was looking for someone to give away Sarah baby things to. Sarah big bed, Sarah crib, change table, bassinet and all that, and I found a family to give it to, and since that we've been in contact and they're coming here as a family for the first time tonight. So we're going to ring in the New Year's together. Hopefully they'll hold out until midnight, but we'll see. So we're gonna have raclette, we're gonna sit and chit chat and just get to know each other. So Daniel is the husband and Georgita is the wife, and they have a beautiful 2.5-year-old little girl, and she's actually pregnant. She's 5 months pregnant. You want lip?
Yeah.
Where is it? So that's what we're doing tonight, and They should be arriving in about an hour or so. So I'm going to make the potato, get appetizers out and going. I already set the table. And we're just going to send off 2022 on a very good note. I just want to say I had an amazing year. Like I said, it's a kickstart year for me. I made some wonderful friends. I went to French classes. I kick off my my course, and I was successful in that. Made amazing friends through it all. I was intentional about going out more with my friends. And 2022, I must say I was okay with the year. But 2023, boy, I am excited for the year. I am looking forward for the year. And I'm coming for everything that 2022 have to offer. The kids are here as usual, just gallivanting around. Sarah is in her costume. This time she's not in princess, she's in witch. So I'm going to let you guys say hello to everybody else while I stop chatting and shouting. Who first? Let's see. Where are they? Where are they? Say hello to the fans.
Awkward.
Sarah, say hello to
Look
the
at my
fans.
hands. Awkward.
Where did you find that?
Look at the t-shirt.
Look at the t-shirt.
Why did you say where you talking about?
You, where you find that gloves? Which costume it comes with?
The ninja one.
Which ninja one?
The
Stop jumping in the
one
couch,
that
both
I
of you.
almost never put.
The red and black ninja one?
Yes, that had a cord before.
Ah, that I cut out the card out of it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay, can you say hello to the fans?
One, and I put this one because
Stop jumping.
because it's the perfect gloves I need to do someone in Naruto.
Okay, alright.
Since I don't have a lot of costume of Naruto, I just use some part of costume that I already have. Ta-da!
Okay. Alright.
Like astronaut. I don't have, but I use parts of that.
God, stop walking in the couch like that, kid.
Sorry.
Sarah, get down.
Good dude. Come, Sarah.
Georgie. Okay. Okay. So the French, most French don't cook their meats. Like the ones that we're gonna use, most of them don't cook it, right? Okay.
You can not.
Because it can be
but
eaten
a lot
without
of people don't
being cooked.
necessarily cook it.
Because
But you can
there's a
cook,
spot
you
to cook it.
warm it, you cook it
And then you
on top.
put the cheese here, it warms, and then it melts, and then you put it on the potato and on the meat. And
It's
very interesting.
Yeah.
How she was listening. I think you like it already, yeah?
Yeah.
On guitar, no? Guitar.
ah, she
music.
loves guitar.
She likes music and dancing.
Ah,
Oh, she loves dancing.
she does.
Yeah. Every evening, she
Uh-huh.
loves dance.
Sarah too.
Yeah.
It's finished. Because I leave one of the cheese just in case.
She's shy.
Sarah, yeah, she can be. She
Yeah.
have her moment. She have her moment.
Sarah, quel âge as-tu?
She have her moment. And she not shy.
And what about the verbs? Is it difficult to remember French verbs? All these forms?
It gets easier for me now.
Okay.
At the beginning, yes, but now that I'm studying, it becomes easier. Now because we're being intentional about speaking French at home, and with my son doing homework and I help him, and with her, so me hearing it a lot around me, it gets easier. And now that I'm going to school, I understand the rules and what goes with the past time and what goes with the present and a whole lot of rules. Too many rules. Too much rules.
A lot of rules, yeah.
Oh yeah, too much rules.
Yeah.
And then with French, when you speak, it sounds one way, but then when you're right, it's completely different.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Yeah, that's exactly how I feel in class sometimes. Like I wanna scream. I should put these in multiple plates so they can go in different spots. So I don't have one. Water.
On met là, d'accord? My glass, if you remember which one it is.
What you say you want? Wine?
Yeah, give me some. Okay, you can give me strong. So this is Lithuanian or this is just a
It looks so pretty.
It's just like Greece.
Georgie brings salad.
Okay.
Look at this. So beautiful.
Veggies.
Yes, she's not. Daniel, what's your drinking?
One cup my wine.
Okay. You still have your wine. Sarah, what do you want to drink?
It drive, remember?
Sarah?
Chocolate.
Yeah, but there is non-alcoholic.
Especially tonight, I mean, this is the
Chocolate.
time when you see police everywhere.
Yeah.
Well, there's juice, non-alcoholic, so look at her with her nice
Someday you can say, okay, you probably won't meet no
Yes,
police
enjoy.
nowhere. Today, they are everywhere.
What's the thing?
This salad is so good.
Well,
I'm gonna put.
You want it?
You want you can?
Mais
Because
j'ai
it's
la
sweet
table.
pepper.
Je peux pas.
I love French cuisine. It's very
Me too.
yeah. Onions.
But funny enough, I don't cook much French at home.
So no, what do you want? Choose. You say, okay, let's take this one. No.
Or you take, I don't want, and when he
You
gets it,
say, I don't.
I want some of yours. And they will take more than half of it.
Oh,
I remember yesterday with your coca, and he said, what do you want? You want to drink? Nothing. And he came with his glass of coca, and I go like, and put it at my head, and when I bring it back down, almost none left in the glass.
I mean, I just say, but there's more than one coca. Why don't you tell me you want coca so I can have one for you and one for me, and now you drink half of mine. So I have to go for second times there. Might as well you tell me first, and I go only one
Joy
time.
of being married.
Oh yeah.
The joy of being married.
So when you were pregnant, did you crave something?
Oh my gosh. I crave everything. With Tyler, I used to drink like boxes of orange juice per day. No, I can't even stand the look of orange juice.
Look at me. Before Tyler, I
It
was
was like
slim.
this.
I was like your husband, I was slim.
Mm.
But every time she woke me in the night,
I used to
Give
eat
me
6
two.
slices of bread
can
for
you give me
breakfast.
bread? She wake up, can you give me sweet
And every
bread?
time I'm eating in the night, he's eating too. I'm not telling you to eat. I'm feeding me and the baby. Why are you eating? No, I have the baby and I lost the weight and he's stuck with him.
Oh my God.
He's yet to lose it. He was staying there for 4 days. No, and we had so much
Yeah.
fun.
No.
No. Sarah Leah is going home. Say bye bye, Leah. Give Leah a hug. Give Leah a hug.
Yes.
They are so cute.
Hug, Leah, hug. Hug.
Me.
Hug. Yay. See you soon.
Soon. Let's see. Let's go.
Bye-bye. Thanks for coming.
Bye.
And thanks for the yummy salad. Don't leave your bowl.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Not yet.
So, I'm going outside to see if I catch fireworks. Oh, it's midnight. Happy New Year, you guys. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Boom, Sarah, fireworks. Hear it. Hurry. Go. Go, Sarah, go. Come on. Woo! Wow! Get it. Like that. Come on. You guys hear the noise? And that was a wrap on New Year's Eve. Our friends Georgita and Daniel, they are both from Lithuania and moved here close to Nice about a year ago. So they live like 25 minutes away from my home, and now we've made new friends. So that's amazing. We had an amazing time. They left just before midnight because they actually had to go somewhere early the New Year's morning, but we had such an amazing time nonetheless. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I didn't catch the fireworks, so good for you guys, but I'm sure you guys saw so much fireworks throughout New Year's Eve into New Year's, and hopefully you guys have a good one. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, if you can keep up, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow with the New Year's Day vlog.